Being able to easily import or re-import data from Excel spreadsheets is extremely useful when beginning a new TARA threat and risk assessment, or when operating iteratively throughout the TARA process. The Excel file already contains components, functions and assets. We will use this to help define our assets in our TARA. Returning to the VisualPro TARA tool, we will select the Import from Excel button, and we will see the following. The import is now straightforward. Select the data required, align the corresponding columns, that is, the components, functions, assets, and when selected, we can see that the predefined assets in our Excel file are automatically identified as analysis target assets in VisualPro. So we have now seen a simple Excel file import. Next time, we will dig a little deeper.